Hi, I'm David Gerard, and this is Pivot to AI. And today, we're all gonna cook, because Microsoft is gonna step on the gas, so to speak. Microsoft wants to use more natural gas to power its AI data centers. You might think Microsoft said last year how its data center build-out was already blowing straight through its carbon commitments, and that Microsoft actually increased its CO2 30% in the last 5 years. So Microsoft's Vice President for Energy, Bobby Hollis, went to the CERAWeek Global Energy Conference in Houston earlier this month and talked up using more gas power, and he mumbled something about carbon capture and storage. So carbon capture and storage is when you catch the CO2 coming out of a power plant instead of releasing it into the air. Now that sounds awesome. But it's only awesome in the fabulous future, because here in the present, 98% of carbon capture projects for power plants fail to be finished. There's 50 carbon capture installations worldwide. They catch 0.1% of world CO2 production. That's slightly better than nothing. But this is Microsoft saying they'll pump out CO2 now and fix it later. This is the standard plan, by the way. Gas now, then a fabulous future solution like carbon capture or small nuclear reactors or magic beans and pixie dust in a decade maybe. Microsoft is mindful also that the Trump administration is full of fossil fuel funders, and it's been actively promoting fossil fuels, gas over renewables. And that's why OpenAI, when it was writing its big wish list for the US government, asked for gas power plants specifically, because they thought they'd get them. The AI companies have a habit of obscuring the actual data center emissions and never break out the AI section. That means everyone is left making estimates, though you can make some reasonably accurate estimates when you know the power load and what it comes from, and when they say it's for AI. Microsoft has actually been reducing the pace of its data center build-out. It cancelled 1 gigawatt of new data centers last month, but that seems to have been arguments with OpenAI, and total AI use is not going down. The numbers are still only going up. Isn't that cheery? Thanks for joining Pivot to AI today. Like, hit subscribe, and please tell everyone you know about Pivot to AI. We also did a nice blog post yesterday about how I make these videos. I don't have a video of it yet, but you can read it there. It also has a great big list of all the kit I'd like to buy for this podcast. So please click the Patreon and Coffee links in the show notes and send me money. I'll use it well. Thank you all, and bye for now.